Hello guys, my hunt for the legit financial services is still going on, and today we are gonna review another website which is named as uscvvfullz.cc. So without further delay, let's get started with the video. Firstly, we will start with registration. So simply click on registration here. Okay, just put the details. I will blur the details, login details for security purpose. Okay, simply register. It has taken me to the index page, home page. So as you can see, uh, here you can use Bitcoin and Ethereum for activation. So uh, I think we have to activate our account by depositing. But firstly, let us check with the pages. Okay, whatever we click, it takes us to the activation page again and again. So firstly, I will activate my account by depositing to this wallet address provided, and the minimum amount is $100. So I will deposit $100 and get back. Thank you. Welcome back, guys. So I have already deposited via the wallet address provided. I've deposited $100 worth of Bitcoin. So I will simply just log in again to my account. Okay, great. So as you can see, my balance has been deposited already. So now I will visit CVV shop to check the available CVV. Okay, as you can see, the page is visible. Also, I'm gonna check the dumps shop. Okay, here are a lot of dumps too. So this is a legit site. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit likes and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Thanks a lot.